So if you're reading a paperback book that you own, it's your book. Do you crack the spine? I have to crack the spine. It has to be comfortable for me to hold. If I'm borrowing someone's book, of course I would never do that. Like, you're gonna get the book back in the same condition that you gave it to me. But mine, I have to crack it. And I know that's like a big no-no to some people, but it has to be comfortable if I'm holding it. And I've seen like a couple people say like that's like the worst thing that you can do. But knock on wood, I've never had like papers come out of my books. So I don't know if like the ones I bought just have like really good glue or something. But yeah, I've never had paper come out. So I don't know. But do you guys do that or am I just crazy? All right, that's it. Bye.